This is Tattooed Granny. I still can't figure out how to go live. But here I am in the forest about to give somebody a no expenses paid foray with yours truly. Howdy shroomers, spore walkers, and mushroom loving folk. Join me today for the fabulous no expenses paid foray drawing with yours truly. Tattooed Granny in the forest. Here we are with our foray drawing. We have 8 contestants: Kelsey, Donald, Pat, Jeremy, Lasia, Josh, Venus, and Jay. All different first names. I assigned each one of you a number. 6. 1 through 8. 1 through 8 in the drawing cage. Gonna spin it. One's gonna fall out here. The first one closest to you goes on a foray with me. Here we go. It escaped. B3. Josh. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Josh. You will be contacted. Special thank you to all those who entered. Be the Shroom.